Hi, my name is Gail. I'm an intern with the Collin County Master Gardener Association. I've been working on a little propagation project. My project is propagation of a donkey ear plant, also called Kalanchoe gastonis-bonnieri. Notice all the little pups or plantlets at the ends of the leaves. To propagate or make more plants, trim off the pups at the ends of the leaves when you can see the little brown roots. It's possible that they will spontaneously fall off when they're big enough, and sometimes will detach with a slight pull. If not, use a sharp, clean knife or scissors and trim them off. They may be planted in a pot with the soil-sand potting mix. Plant the pups with the leaves just above the soil and care for them like a mature plant. This plant has evergreen succulent leaves. I have read that they can produce tall flower spikes that are red and yellow and can reach up to 18 inches tall. I have not been able to get mine to bloom, however, yet. The donkey ear can be planted in a bed outside with all-day full sun in well-drained soil. It can also be planted in a pot and kept indoors in a sunny window, which is what I have done. It should be watered when the top 1/2 inch of soil begins to dry out, but before completely dry. Potted plants can be watered until excess begins to drip from the bottom of the pot. It's interesting to note that after the pups are detached, the host leaf will begin to deteriorate and die. I trim them off when they become unsightly. This is what the mother plant looks like at this time.